Do you want to start learning programming but don't know where to begin? Maybe you have seen all the buzz about artificial intelligence and thought, is programming even worth it anymore? Well, the truth is, programming is not only still important, but it's the foundation of the tech industry, even in the AI era. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to start learning programming, the best approach for beginners, and how you can grow in the tech industry alongside AI instead of being replaced by it. Let's start with the basics. Programming is simply telling a computer what to do by writing instructions in a language it understands. Think of it like giving step-by-step direction to a robot. For example, if you want a robot to make tea, you don't just say make tea. You say pick up a cup, boil water, add tea leaves, then pour water and then serve. That's exactly what programming is, breaking problems into small steps and writing them as instructions. And the language you write these instructions in, like Python, JavaScript or C++, is called a programming language. Step 1. Choose the right language. As a beginner, the first step is choosing the right programming language. Python, great for beginners, used in AI, data science and automation. JavaScript, the language of the web. If you are interested in websites or apps, this is for you. Java or C#, used in enterprise applications, Android apps and big systems. C or C++, closer to the computer's core, great for performance and system level programming. My advice is start with Python if you want a smooth learning curve, or JavaScript if you are interested about building websites. Step 2. Learn the fundamentals. Once you have picked a language, don't rush into advanced stuff. Focus on the fundamentals like variables and data types, loops and conditions, functions, input and output, and basic problem solving. It's like learning the alphabet before writing essays. If you master the basics, you can easily learn any programming language in the future. Step 3. Practice, don't just read. This is where most beginners struggle. Watching videos would not make you a programmer. You must practice by writing code on daily basis. Writing a program that adds 2 numbers or create a calculator. Use websites like LeetCode and HackerRank to practice problems, and remember, consistency is more important than speed. Step 4. Work on real projects. After the basics, start building real projects. Projects will give you confidence and show how programming is applied in real life. For example, build a personal portfolio website using JavaScript, HTML and CSS. Projects also help you build a portfolio, which is important when applying for jobs and freelance work. Programming in AI era. Now you might ask, but with AI tools like ChatGPT that can write code, why should I learn programming? Here is the reality. AI can assist with coding, but it cannot replace problem-solving skills. You need to understand the logic to know whether the AI's code is correct or efficient. Companies need programmers who can design systems, solve problems, and use AI as a tool. So instead of competing with AI, learn to collaborate with it. Use AI tools to speed up your coding, debugging errors, and learn faster. Think of AI as a smarter assistant, but remember, you are the problem solver. Once you have learned programming, how do you grow in the tech industry? Keep learning new technologies, frameworks, databases, cloud, and AI. Contribute to open source projects, build strong LinkedIn or GitHub profile, and network with other developers and join communities. The tech industry moves fast, but if you are curious and keep learning, you will never be left behind. So if you want to start learning programming, pick one language, learn the basics, practice daily and build projects. And don't worry about AI taking over. Programmers who understand the logic and problem solving will always be in demand. This is your time to start. The earlier you begin, the stronger your foundation will be. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to Knowledge for more tech insights simplified for everyone.